All right, taking a bark buster off. Right now, you're gonna have two bolts right here. Hold this thing so I don't flip around. So the first one we already took off will come here. Here, zoom up under this, up under that. So the first bolt will come in here. It usually comes off pretty easily. It's coming down from the handlebars next to your triple tree. So you remove that, or vice versa if you want to put it on, you can put that on. And then when you come out here, they'll usually have, it could be an Allen head or Phillips. So you bring it out a little bit, and it should be fairly easy to get out. If not, when you take this bark buster off, you can twist it, kind of get to break that bolt loose. I'm going to take it off. Hang on, let me show them. All right, remove that and shoot it back in here if you're wanting to remove this inner part. So just put your bolt a little ways in there, and then take a crescent wrench or whatever you want, spanner, right there, and just sink it down, get the edge of this right here, so it creates that grip around the head of the bolt or screw, whatever you got in there, and just knock it. This one's gonna be a pain. Slowly start pulling it out. You may have to do it a few times like this. You can also do channel locks, whatever you want to do on it. And it'll eventually come out. That's the easiest way to do it, because when you screw it in there, of course it just expands it. You screw this down in there, it pushes on that, it'll expand it, makes it lock in there, hard to get out. All right, let's remove all the bark busters.